By 2022, the number of computing-related job openings will rise to 1.2 million. While we see an increase in jobs in the fields of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, we also see a decrease in women in these fields. For example, when looking at women in computing, we see a drop from 36% in the early 90s to about 25% in 2008, according to Anderson. A study by Dr. Jamie L. Workman at the University of Iowa confirmed the powerful tie between parental influence and a child's college major and future career. You may be wondering how much your influence can truly affect your daughter's decision to pursue a career in a STEM field. A study by Lou, McMahon, and Watson identified 5 ways in which parents influence their child's future career choice. 1. Responsiveness to career curiosity. 2. Influence on career gender stereotypes. 3. Emphasis on the importance of education. 4. Providing opportunities for career interest development. 5. Mother influence as a career role model. As a parent, there are many ways you can encourage your child at home. A few ways you can be proactive include avoiding making statements such as, "I've always hated math," or "I was never good in science." Ask your daughter about her classwork in math and science. Let her explain what she's doing and let her be the expert. Make science and technology activities fun and collaborative by hosting parties or group play at your house with your child's friends. Make the theme of the afternoon a science-related question, or put together a collage of famous women and researchers. Identify a role model or mentor for your daughter. Don't assume your child's school is already doing this. You may also be interested in volunteering or mentoring other girls at your child's school. Encourage your daughter to participate in home projects that will develop her spatial reasoning and analytical skills. For example, you may ask that she receive a chemistry set for her birthday, or you may help her build a robot from a kit. Science experiments and microscopes will be lots of fun for everyone. You will also want to consider the ways in which you can influence the messages your daughter receives at school about her STEM classes. Advocate for your child's school to plan events with a focus on technology for girls. Network or learn about the careers of other parents. Find female role models and ask them if they'd be interested in mentoring your daughter or volunteering at school events. Talk to your daughter's teacher. Ensure they are committed to treating girls and boys equally in class, and encourage your daughter's progress. Express concern to a higher party if this does not seem to be the case. Ensure your daughter's school counselor is encouraging her to take more than the minimum requirements in science and math. I believe that we run the risk of enhancing the gender-digital divide if we do not advocate for our girls. All the evidence points towards the need for immediate action. Parents can push for change by researching the topic, gathering in small groups to discuss, and then approaching their schools and asking them to form initiatives around girls and technology. If parents do not advocate for their students, schools may not see a need to form an initiative for years down the road. Schools may have the unique opportunity to host events in the evenings for other parents where they can discuss the topic. They can help parents identify how their practices may be hindering their daughters and provide recommendations for encouraging them in the fields of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. I one day hope to be a school or district leader that can help shape the lives of our girls.